Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. And let's see what's inside this bag. So, here we go. And I'll also see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. There we go. One more cut. Should do the trick. Oh, got a little note. Monitor, common home security system with sound. Oh boy. Here we go. Coming from Conico. That looks like an N. I think that's an N. Yep, Conico 1080p. This would be good for a baby monitor. Keep the eye on your dogs in case you go out of town. Sound detection, motion detection, HD video, view via phone. See, home security, office security, store surveillance, pet care, baby care, elder care. So we're gonna need the other phone so we can set it up. Wi-Fi, 32 feet, clear night vision at dark condition, smart alerts to your device, two-way audio, remote control, and view. Alright, let's take a look inside. Like I said, I'm going to put you guys on pause and grab my other phone so we can set this up. And in there, wireless manual right here. It's probably going to be an app. Yep. Here's an app. Get the app store. Download. IMP. See if there's a QR code. Yep. QR code right there. I gotta do scan it. Here's the IR LED, lens, sensor, speaker, power port, microphone, micro SD, reset button. Okay, we'll find it once we look at it. So it's easy setup. You're gonna set up an account, which is easy to do, and I'll show you guys how to do that. And you can mount it. I'm just probably gonna leave it on a stand. I don't need for mount. All right, we got that covered. Now let's take a look. This is what it looks like when you get it. Nice packaging. Whoops. Come on up. There we go. Here's all the goodies. Get some screws if you need to mount it somewhere on a wall, somewhere in your office. USB, probably Type C. OPP. One of these guys. We got power, standard phone kind of. USB right there. Throw that out. And now here she is. Conico. Make sure you take off the film because you won't be able to see. Oh, come on. There we go. Alright. This is lightweight. There's back. See, all you gotta do is have some fun. Yeah, twist these off somehow. Oh boy. How are you supposed to get this off? But if you want to mount this, all you gotta do is take this off. I'm not gonna mount it, so I'm gonna keep it on. All you gotta do is take that off, and you can also pop that off, and then screw it in. Once you unpop this, because this is where the mounting bracket is, So unpop this, drill this into the wall or wherever you're gonna mount it, and put this in. Take this, lock it in. There we go. A little toughy there, but it's alright. Got a little swivel. Full swivel. Oh yeah. Here's the speaker. Here's the side. Here's the USB goes for the power. Got the juice. And now we're gonna go right back. Hold on, grab some popcorn. Gonna get my phone. Alright guys. Hopefully your popcorn's nice and warm. Now we got the QR. We're gonna do a little scan. Boom. Open. App Store. There it is. That's a good sound. There it goes. I'm gonna have to plug her in now. So, oh, on the top part, that's where the micro SD slot goes. And the reset button is right there. It's easy to push. So like I said, super lightweight. And now we're going to test the connectivity and the resolution and all that good stuff. But right now it looks pretty sweet. Little home security buddy we can have for your dogs, your kids, your pets. There we go. And protect your belongings. Plus, you'll have a few seconds advantage. Just hopefully that never happens. But here we go, guys. It goes on the bottom. Right there. Come on, get in the hole. Oops. A little. There we go. Oh, look at that light. Right, oops, I got her tangled up. There we go. And now we open the app. Okay, allow PTZ camera, just start it. Okay, create, sign up. Okay, eased out, 79. Oop, pause. Alright, here we go. See, it's getting ready to make a little beep sound. So we just gotta add a camera. Okay. Allow using app. Allow using app. This is gonna be I think it's called wireless IP others. And it's gonna tell you to scan the camera QR code, which is on the side right there. Okay, and it's gonna ask your password. There you go.
Connecting to the router. Please wait for a moment.
Sweet. Sounds like Star Trek.
Connecting to the server.
All right.
Please wait for a moment.
It's working. Boom.
Config successfully.
That was really easy to do. Usually they got that QR code thing, and this sometimes a pain to do that QR because it's like hold 4 inches. Sound waves is the best way to go. Okay, we got that. Ooh. Alright, they'll tell you mic up. First time setup, settings. Enter my password. I mean, you don't have to unless you know it's a secure place, but I'm going to have to enter my password. It'll be alright, guys. And it's going to ask you, give the device a name. So you want to call it like garage, outside, spare bedroom, basement. Yeah, probably have basement. You never know, fires or whatnot. You can always have a camera. It's always good to have one down there. Your garage, your shed. They got cloud storage options. You could do the monthly, but not me. I'm going to skip that. Take a look. Ooh, this is pretty clear. So we got HD 1080p going. We got the bells and the whistles right here. Hello, hello. Oh, press. Long press. Hello. Hello. Test, test. Oh. Alright, I'll shut that sound off. Oh, you can see me. I'll rotate it. And it is clear. Look at that. Focus. Oh, there I am. You can always adjust the settings right there. Control the brightness, contrast, saturation, sharpness. Tweak it a little bit more. Oh yeah. Day and night you can have. Yeah, that's definitely a nice one. So check these guys out. Conico. Really cool camera. Always good to have a couple extra around. Especially now in these crazy times. But good setup, easy to use. And that's about it, YouTubers. Be safe. Have a good night. See you guys soon.